somewhere to be seated, please. And I've tried to bring out the officer for Dennis, but he's not responding either.
I think a lot of people start wandering away.
36th District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Please remain quiet and seated. Good morning, Your Honor.
Versus Demetrius Dennis, ticket number P1302834, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dennis.
Say your name, Mr. Dennis.
Mr. Dennis, the judge needs your name.
Demetrius Dennis.
Okay, let me call out the cases. I'm sorry. We're also here on ticket number P1302454, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration, and count 3, no proof of insurance.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client. He would plead to the amended charge of failed to display a valid license and expired plates. The other counts are being dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
I'm sorry, he's gonna plead to what?
Failed to display an expired plates.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dennis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah, yeah,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your right.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 19, 2022 at 1:10 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Warren and I-75 in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2012 Kia vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
For us also satisfied the factual basis, will accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display. Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1302454?
So stipulated.
All right, and then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Okay, they're dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. I'm not sure if our officer was able to put his name on the record, but Officer Johnson, could you please state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. Thank you, Officer Johnson.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, we're almost done. So the court will dismiss the remaining counts without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $200 for the fail to display and a fine of $145 for the civil infraction. So it's a total of $345. Because the civil infraction is usually due in 14 days, the court will give you additional time to pay everything, which would be on December 7th. Can you have the $345 paid by December 7th?
yes.
Any questions, sir?
No, that's it.
You're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
345. Oh, well, I do have one question. How do I pay it? Do I?
You can
Do
come
you
down
send-
to the courthouse. You can pay it online. You can pay it over the phone.
Okay,
There's kiosk in CVS or Meyer called DivDat, DIV as in Victor, DAT as in Tom. You can pay it at the kiosk. If you want the phone number, I can give it to you. It's up to you.
okay. I just come down to the courthouse and pay it.
You can do that too.
Okay,
All right, good luck, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Tamika.
So do.
Yes, Ms. Soroki, are we ready on Rodell Davis?
What are you gonna, well, he has his license. Yeah, I thought we were ready. I don't know. I don't think he came out when we prompted him. So it was gonna
Okay.
be improper plates, right?
No, just blockading,
Oh, good.
because he's got a valid license.
Yes, he does. So he's ready, but I don't think, he must not have come out.
Yep, and then we have Sergeant Harfanich here also. But yeah, so we discussed that offer, and his record was pretty good.
Okay, wait a minute, I'm getting mixed up. So what
That's
about Demetrius Lavelle Demetrius? I was gonna give him improper plates because he had a license too.
Oh, I didn't see him. Is he a,
I saw his license. So if you
I
want
still have
to,
to run it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run it.
okay, so.
Let's see, who was that? Demetrius Lavelle?
No, Lavelle Ramos.
Oh,
in-
Ramos.
He's in room 14.
Ramos. Is
So
he
you
a show cause? Okay, I see. And Mr. Ratliff, could you run his driver's license, please, on Lavelle Ramos?
But everyone, please turn on their video. All defendants, please turn on your video.
I think mine's over.
John Roberts and Infinity Robertson. Turn on your video.
Mr. Ramos? Because you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
your license, because you have your license now, they're gonna give you an infraction that doesn't carry any points and it doesn't go on your record. You just pay a fine for it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll be with you in a minute. Thank you.
Just test that button.
Please remain quiet, everyone, until your name is called. Ms. Robertson, Infinity Robertson. Court is back in session with the Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. While court's in session, no talking, no walking around the house, no reading, eating, or slide, or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court.
Driver's license valid, Ms. Horn.
You're muted, Madam Prosecutor.
Okay, thank you, Sir Clerk. The people will move to dismiss on Lavelle Davis or Ramos.
Thank you.
First is Lavelle Ramos, ticket number P13275888, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city, P70303.
Pauline Strogan, behalf of Mr. Ramos, Your Honor. My understanding is that people are recommending dismissal. We'd stipulate probable cause.
Ramos, can you unmute yourself, sir? State your name.
Yes, ma'am. Lavelle Ramos.
All right, these matters, you indicated you just stipulate the probable cause, right? Stroke.
Yes.
Okay, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Ramos. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
First is Rodell Davis. Ticket number
Yes, Your Honor.
44686, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, fail to stop for stop sign. Good morning, please say your names to the record, starting with Sergeant Hartnett. You're muted, sir. Sergeant Hart, go ahead, there you are.
Yes, Your Honor.
Say your name, sir.
Sergeant Hartpanich, badge S1212.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pauline Strogan, behalf of the defendant. I believe Ms. Horn, was the offer impeding traffic in this matter?
Yes, Tamika Horn, I'm appearing on behalf of the city, P70303. The people are offering impeding or blockading traffic on count 2 and dismissal of count 1.
All right, did you want to say, Mr. Rodell Davis, did you want to say your name for the record? Is it
Yes.
Rodell?
It's Rodell Davis.
Okay, say your name, sir.
My name is Rodell Davis.
Mr. Davis, if people offered to make this a civil infraction, it'll be no points and it won't go on your record. You just have to pay a fine. Would you like to accept that?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're ready. And I'd stipulate to the face of the complaint for a factual basis.
All right, the court will amend the count to blockade. You stipulate the proper cause as the count 1 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismiss without prejudice or proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine, Mr. Davis, because it's a civil infraction. The due date is November 22nd. You have to pay it in 14 days.
Your Honor, I just
Yes, sir.
recently started the new job.
You
I don't
need
think
more
I get.
time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
December 5th.
Can we make it December 7th? I believe that'd be my payday.
That's fine. December 7th. Okay? You're all set, sir.
And Mr. Riley, please come into the camera. Mr. Riley.
Okay, I'm here.
Roberson, ticket number SP 1208391, count 1, failed to secure load to body or frame. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Roberson.
Yes,
Say your name, Mr. Roberson.
yes.
Say your name, sir.
Gary Robertson.
All right, so this is a review where Mr. Roberson was to pay $200 by this date. If he had did this, then this would be dismissed off his record. It looks like Mr. Roberson has not paid the $200.
Mr.
Yes,
Roberson,
ma'am.
did you pay it?
Yes, ma'am. I have the money order here, and I paid one. I paid one in July, 115, and I paid 110 last week.
I do see where you paid 115. I don't see the 110. You said you paid it last week?
No, I paid 110 last week, and I paid 100.
I see that you paid 115. How did you pay the 110?
I paid it in a money order. I have the money order here, the receipt.
It might not have been processed yet. You brought it down to the courthouse?
No, I paid it in a money order.
By mail or in person?
I sent it in mail.
We'll just give you another day to make sure that everything has been processed. Just come back on January 21st at 8:35, and we'll make sure that everything is in process so we can dismiss it.
January 31st.
Say that one more time.
No, I have paid it, but you don't have the receipt. So I paid.
So come back in 2 weeks and we'll make sure it's been processed, okay?
Okay.
2 weeks.
What day? What day would that be?
November 21st at 8:35. Call back in and we'll make sure if that has been paid.
I can call it in.
Yeah, just call the same number that you called today.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Am I done?
You are.
How do you get out of this thing?
I did the hospital.
Mr. Davis, you can leave. Rondell Davis, we finished with you.
Okay, I was trying to figure out how to get out of it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll remove you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
All right, that John Roberts. Trial. This is the people versus John Roberts, ticket number B1212942, count one, no dog license. Ticket number B1212952, count one, failed to vaccinate dog. Ticket number B1212962, count one, animal cruelty. Ticket number B1212972, count one, animal cruelty. Ticket number B121300021, dog at large. Ticket number B121298. Count one, harming more than 4 dogs. And ticket number B121299. Failed to provide a leash or responsible person for a dog off owner's property. And ticket number B121300. Fail owner's duty to actively monitor dog and keep dogs on property. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the people, P70303.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of John Roberts.
This is John Roberts.
And we also have our complaining investigator too, Your Honor.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, badge number 44.
Thank you. All right, this matter is set for trial. How are we proceeding?
Ms. Soroki, did you want to go into a breakout room?
I think we probably should.
Yeah, that was.
All right, Mr. Riley, you said you have retained counsel.
Yes, I don't know if he checked in with you guys or not. I don't know what's going on with him.
He did not check in.
Okay, should I get another court date and just go to his office today and find out what's going on?
We can give you another court date. We'll set up for a pretrial and come back on November 21st at 8:35.
November 21st? Okay, I'll go to his office and tell him today.
November 21st at 8:35.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Guys need to go into a breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
And Judge, I could never get with Infinity Robertson. She was not answering.
Give her another date. Give her 21st. We'll give her November 21st at 8:35.
Oh, that's it right there. She just.
Oh, okay. We'll hold off and wait till Mr. Roki comes back. Riley, R-I-L-Y, show up. Ronald. Ms. Robertson, that means you need a new battery in your smoke detector. You know
I'm
that
sorry, I can't hear.
That beeping noise, that means you need a battery in your smoke detector.
Okay.
Wait for the attorney to come back. When she comes back,
Your Honor, can I say something?
no, wait for the attorney to come back.
Okay.
So Tamika never made it to the breakout room. I don't see her on the screen. Oh, maybe she went to her office.
Okay, Ms. Robertson is back.
Miss Roberson, so your 2 tickets were adjudicated and you do have a 3rd case that never was adjudicated for no license. So the judge said she was going to reduce your fines and cost to $500 and I think 15 cents on the 2 tickets. But I don't know what you want to take care of that no license today. Or do you want to come back for a trial?
I got my license.
If you can show us your license, it wasn't no license, correct, Your Honor, from Miss Infinity. We should be able to get that.
Drive while unlicensed, yes.
If she has a valid license now, it should be a dismissal for her.
Right, and she still.
One
owes money
second.
She still owes money on the other ticket.
Right.
Now, we've taken off.
I can pay the $515. I could pay the $515 today as well, and my license is here.
Pull it back just a little bit.
Pull it back, Ms. Roberson.
And this is Tamika Horn with the city. Mr. Ratliff, are you able to run her driver's license just to ensure that it's valid in the system, please?
All right.
Okay, Ms. Roberson, you can take it down. He's going to check for you. Check the driver, your Secretary of State. Oh my goodness.
I'm just getting a pen. I just need to know, because like I said, when I got to the 36th district to pay the fine, she was like, I owe like around $2,000. So I just want to write down exactly what I'm paying so she can know what's a.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ratliff.
And Ms. Horn, she cleared up all her other matters. This one just didn't make it in the pack, so.
And this is Miss, what's her name again?
And
Infinity. Okay, last name again, Infinity. Oh, Roberson. Okay, so yes. The people would move to dismiss, absolutely.
All right, this is the People versus Infinity Roberson, ticket number P1280557, count 3, drove while unlicensed. We're also here for a couple of reviews on ticket number P961370, count 1, driver's license never acquired. And then ticket number 1622134, count 1, interfere with city employee in performance of duty. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Infinity Roberson. Ms. Roberson, can you state your name?
Infinity Roberson.
Your Honor, regarding the unadjudicated matter, I believe the people are dismissing. We'd stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
And my client indicated she could pay those 2 outstanding fines later today.
All right, so what I'll do is I'll give you a week to have them paid. And in fact, and I'll lower it so that it'll be $550. Well, we'll take away the fees, which was $160 for one and $50, $116 for one and $50 for the other. So we'll do that, and we'll give you to November 7th, 14th to have it paid.
Your Honor, can you tell me exactly how much I should be paying and what should I tell the clerk at 36th District? Because this was the problem on the 20th. I wasn't sure. She told me that I had like $2,000 worth of ticket, which I'm not even aware of. So I didn't know like what to put the money toward or what to tell the clerk. I was confused.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you paid these, I mean, you had a number of tickets where you owed like $2,000. The tickets that are up today, we're just dealing with those, but it looks like you owe $2,036. But these are the tickets that are up to date. Any other questions?
Oh, yes, I was still just waiting on the amount to pay.
I mean, I don't,
She doesn't know how much on those 2 tickets she owes, Your Honor.
on what 2 tickets?
The ones, the 2 that you reduced the fines on. Your voice kind of dropped out when you were saying the amount.
It's a total of $515 for the
Okay.
tickets that are on the docket for today. It looks like she has other tickets that she owes, which are civil infractions.
Okay, so
Okay.
it is 515, Miss Infinity, for the ones we have today.
Okay,
All right.
thank you so much.
All right, so you're all set.
Okay, Ms. Horn, I'll see you in the breakout room.
Sounds good. Let's see. So which one are we going in? Want to go into 1?
Yeah,
Okay. Who's still in 2? Hold on, let me see.
tell your officer.
Oh, he went back in. Okay, got it. Because okay.
Actually, the other people, I don't know that they're in there because some of the other courtrooms still,